Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. It's Monday, it's a happy Monday because apparently it's International Day of Happiness. Yeah, so happy Monday. Right, a different video for you today. Well, it's not that I've never done an unboxing, but I've never had to unbox something so yummy, I don't think. And these are some washi tapes from the washi tape shop. I say unboxing, it's an unwrapping. I've took them out at box. And yes, so I've got what? Ooh, there's all them little rolls. And then I've got these, which are sets. And they do have stickers showing you what's in them. I don't know if you can even see that. But yeah, I just really want to get on and open one. And I want to do this one first. So we move those out of the way. And yeah, the wrapping's so nice. I don't even want to damage it. But I've got to unwrap it, haven't I? Whee. Yeah, these were sent to me. I've never had any washi tape from Washi Tape Shop before. And I've been looking at some of their stuff online and oh, it does look yumly. Oh, that paper could even be used. We've got to use that in a journal, haven't we? So we've got to open it careful. Oh, it's going to take me all day, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to have to rip it. That's not nice. Oh, just rip it, rip it. Pretend it's Christmas Day, woman. You can salvage bits. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Oh, wow. I'm liking these. Yeah, when I say it's washi tape, it's not just any washi tape. It's Washi Tape Shop washi tape. Ooh, I can even find the end straight away. That's odd on washi tape for me. Let's have a look, see. Oh, wow. Oh, so that's your little end to open them. These are described as washi tape stickers. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, you could use it as a full-length washi tape, or you could cut individual bits out, couldn't you? Oh, I like that. Let's leave that one there. So I'm guessing these all go together nicely. Oh, yeah, so easy to open. Normally takes me 3 days to find end on a washi tape. Ooh. There is a link in the description of my video as well. If you do want to buy anything from the washi tape shop, there's a code to get you 10% off. Well, I've took that off. Oh, so these are individual stickers, these ones. I've mucked that one up opening it. Don't want to lose it. Stick it back on, woman. Stick it back on. There we go. Oh, wow. Ooh, yeah, individual stickers on washi tape. Oh, wow. If you saw my last video, the way I was forming with those individual stickers, this is like, oh, this is going to be so much easier. Oh, I'm liking. And it's a long repeat. Yeah, it is. It's a long repeat on these. So plenty of stickers on that one. Right, let's put that one there. Is this one just regular washi tape? Just regular washi tape. Yeah, I'm spoiled already now, aren't I? Let's have a look. Haha. Yeah, I'm saying just regular washi tape. It's really gorgeous. And it coordinates with those lovely. So that's that one. Oh, it's rolled back up. There's so many to open. I'm going to have to put them away in batches. Let's open this one. Yes, so I don't have long talons. I don't have really short nails. I just have nails that I keep to a utilitarian length. Oh, wow. I'm already seeing you can make a tag so easily with these. Chunk of that, couple of them. Jobs are good and Bob's your uncle. I've just stuck that to something else now. So peony, lavender, lavandula. I'm guessing that's lavender. It looks like lavender. So these are probably some of their Latin names, aren't they? Oh yeah, I really like them. So let's pop that away. I'm not sure individual prices on these, but if you go to the website, you'll be able to see. Right, that's you. So that's set one. The others, look. You get a little sneak peek through this paper. I'm going to try a little bit harder to get that sticker off so I can use paper. We're junk journals. We want to use everything, don't we? every little bit can be put in a junk journal. I started making a list the other day of what you can put in a junk journal, ready to start a new one, because I've not done a full big journal for a long time, and I've done about 3 pages. Come on, come on, you will come off. You will, come on. These ones, they don't want these coming off before the time, it would appear. I'll stick these all over here so I don't get I don't want to get my knickers in a knot with these. That looks beautiful. I'm guessing there's a lot more than that one rose. I can actually see birds. I can see birds. That's reminding me of a line from a film. And it's not birds that they say they can see. I can see birds. Oh, wow. Look at these. Oh, they are so yummy. They've got like gold foil edges. Now, are these stickers or is this a tape? I'm going to open one to see. Oh, I love this edge so that you know where to open it. Let's roll out the washi tape. The stickers, because I've accidentally pulled one off. I'm like a bull in a china shop, aren't I? Like a bull in a china shop. Put you back on, mate, because we don't want to lose you. It'd be tragic. It'd be tragic to lose a little bird. Oh, my youngest is going to love these. Anything with birds, she loves it. Oh, they're beautiful. So, they're not just any washi tapes. They're sticker washi tapes. Oh, fabulous. Oh, I'm going to be able to put some ephemera together. Gorgeous ephemera pretty quick with these. So that one is the birds. Let's see if I can manage to open this now without taking the sticker off the roll. Now I know that's what can happen. I'll be more careful. I think that's just going to happen on your first sticker, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, oh, I've ripped that one. Oh, no, I haven't. Yeah, the roll ended with half a sticker. Can you see where they've cut it? So no, I've not lost anything there. Phew. Because I've only got 50,000 stickers. I don't want to lose one. Oh, they're gorgeous. We're liking these. So that's that. I'm not going to unroll this one because that looks like a variation on all these. Just more delicate and smaller. These will be brilliant for collaging. I'm going to be able to make some yummy collages with these. Right, so that's the second set. Now this one, what does it show on end? This looks very interesting again, doesn't it? Similar to the first one, but it has more pink on by the looks of it. So let's take that off. And take that off. So when I use these, I'm going to need to look at these labels so I'll be able to tell you which sets I'm using. Because if I don't tell you, someone's going to ask, aren't they? That's the way life goes. Oh, that didn't want to come off. I have to say they're wrapped very, very well, so your washi tapes get to you in absolutely perfect condition. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh, I love that already with the labels. I'm a sucker for labels. Oh, look at that. Yeah, like I say, I had no idea what were going to be in this package because they chose for me. So I've not like gone through and chose these. I wouldn't know where to start. If I had to choose my own, I wouldn't know where to start. Right, I'm getting hang of this now. So that all I'm taking off is something on the edge, she says. I've took a little bit of that off. Let's have a look, see. Oh, wow. Yeah, I took a bit of the edging off around that. So you've got everything you need to make a tag or a journal card with these. And yet they are individual stickers. Loving those. And then we've got a roll of labels that matches. That's beautiful. That's going to tie all those colours together, isn't it? Yeah, we've got a little bit of everything on there. Then we've got this one. That would go lovely with this set as well, wouldn't it? Right, so that's my 3 big ones. And then I've got these. I don't know if these are washi tapes or, again, stickers on a roll. I'm calling these stickers on a roll more than washi tapes. They really are, not just any washi tape. Yeah, if you... I'll not say it because I don't know. A popular UK supermarket, their advert is like, it's not just any food, it's so-and-so food. Yeah. So if you're not in UK, you won't know that, will you? Which I know a lot of you aren't. Oh, yes, they're individual stickers on a roll again. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, wowza. Which one next? Yeah, as much as I've tried, I'll be able to collage with the wrapping. If I order again, I'll figure a way out of unwrapping these and saving all this wrapping. But I just want to get into them now. Let's open this one. Yeah, there's like an end seal on this one. Ooh, you can do it. That one's very sticky on these little rolls. Oh, there, that comes off. It's stuck to part at roll again. Yeah, I understand how that works now. Let me take that off because I don't want it to... it's pretty good actually. Be careful with it, you don't ruin what's underneath. Right, let's roll out this one. Oh, look at that. These are all right up my street with roses. They really are. My favourite flower. I know these washi tapes are individual stickers. Right, these are washi tapes. And when I say washi tape, they're quite thick. And they seem they're very sticky. Yeah, I don't think you're going to have to put glue on these washi tapes when you come to use them. I'm going to cut a piece off that one just to test it out. I'm going to cut that end one off. And let's just stick that on something. I'm just going to grab a random tag. I wasn't intending doing a project on this unboxing. What we got here? I just want to see how see-through they are, basically. Ooh, what we got here? We've got some text stamp in there. And I found this quite easy to peel up as well. Like I say, if you saw my last video, I was really struggling with some stickers I bought. I did love the stickers, but using them, not so easy. Half it is my eyes, I think. Come on, I got you. I got you. There we go. I got you. Right, let's just pop that on. Oh, yes. I don't know if you can see that. That's well stuck down even without burnishing. But I'm still going to burnish for the edges. I always like to do that with washi tape. Oh, it's raised that as well. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, we can see the text through. I'll probably just cut around that and make a little tag now. Yeah, I'm liking these. How many more we got to go? Got another 4 to unbox yet. Oh, I've got enough washi tape for days. I'm going to have to find myself a lovely little storage box for these. I'll have something hanging about. Washi tapes are something I've only really started using since I came to junk journaling. And for someone who didn't avidly collect washi tapes or buy them, I seem to have quite a few. It's like, where did they come from? I did a washi tape video quite a while back, and it went down pretty well. You liked it, and I did say I would do another one. So now I've got the ideal excuse, haven't I, to do a part 2. Oh yeah, I'm getting idea now. Look, that comes off. Yes, and then it just unrolls. It only took me about 3 rolls to get there. Oh, wowza. Wow, really liking these. Oh, you could just put strips of that down and make a backing paper. In fact, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try some die cutting with it. See how it works with my punches. I have seen people do those kind of things. But I want to go. And we have 3 more. We've got to unwrap them, haven't we? We've just got to. Yeah, I'm like... it is like Christmas. This first one, you're like, oh, let's pick at it and take 3 days opening it. Then you get to the point where let's just rip it off. Rip it off. Want to see. It's like a plaster. Right, where's the end on this one? There it is. Got the paper strip. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting hang of this. It would appear. Whee. Oh yeah, I'm a professional washi tape opener now, and I've only done half a dozen rolls. Oh, this has got butterflies on. Oh wow. Oh, I do love a butterfly. I'm really impressed with these. They're very wide rolls. I've not told you the width of any of them yet. Let's tell you how wide that one is. That's 2 1/4 inches. So all these 6 separate ones are 2 1/4 inches. The really wide one I opened earlier is 3 inches. So some pretty decent widths on these. I mean, you just cut a section off that and you've got a tag, haven't you? That's your tag, done, dusted, finished. I could pop this on something and then fussy cut round it as well, I reckon. Right, 2 to go. 2 to go. I feel like I'm at bingo. Yeah, and it's your jackpot. Yeah, we've got 2 to go. 2 numbers to go before your jackpot's up. Oh, 2 to go. Oh, I'm going to be playing with this all day. Yeah, just get it off. Oh, I'm trying to get other end off. Just want to see now. I want to see tape. I want to get the paper off. Oh, beautiful. I think I've got flowers for all seasons here, haven't I? I've got spring flowers. These, some of them are autumnal colours. Because we can have flowers all year round, can't we? Of course we can. They're grown in greenhouses, a lot of them. They're not seasonal anymore. Oh, let's open this. Oh yes, I'm taking washi tape off. Try it from that side, woman. There you go. Yeah, I think you've seen me struggle to open that many things now, if you watch me regularly. Yeah. But for me, that's easy. Oh, beautiful. Let's open these last couple together. That way. I'll put them to one side. I'll be putting them back on until I use each row. Oh, this is autumn. Pumpkins. Oh, amazing. I've got a scrapbook paper kit that these will go lovely with. That I've been saving for autumn. Yeah, really beautiful washi tapes. Oh, I don't think I can wait to use them. I think I'm going to have to get another video filmed straight after this. So let's bring them all back in. So yeah, all my links are always in my description. There will be a link for Washi Tape Shop where you can buy these tapes, and there will be a 10% discount for anyone who wants to buy any. So yeah, the Washi Tape Shop, thank you very much for sending me these. I do like them, and I think you know by now with me, if I don't like something, I'll tell you. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon and show you how I'm going to use some of these. Thank you. Bye.